Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the Alpha Crypto, where I talk about cryptocurrencies, airdrop and various investment opportunities in cryptocurrency. Today I'll be talking about 3 websites you can learn about cryptocurrency, and the reason I'm doing this video is that this website is channeled towards beginners in crypto, people that don't really know much about cryptocurrency or they really want to explore the crypto space. A lot of people have been wanting to learn about cryptocurrency, and when I started, the 3 websites that I spent my time the most to get very good knowledge about cryptocurrency are what I'll be talking about today. So if that is what you want to know without wasting much of your time, the first website you should look at is CoinGecko.com. www.coingecko.com. CoinGecko.com is a very good website where you get information about different cryptocurrency, and the reason I like this website is that they have many information on many crypto projects, informations about how they are performing in 24 hours and stuff like that. So this is the website, CoinGecko.com. Let me just open it again, CoinGecko.com. If you come to CoinGecko.com, this particular website, this is the interface. You're going to see information about coins, their exchange platform, the decentralized finance, NFTs, different portfolios, even publications, blog posts, so many informations are on this website, different resources, products, and they have their community, their Instagram, their Twitter, their Reddit, different communities. To talk about CoinGecko is going to make this video very long, and my aim is not to make this video very long. I just want to show you guys different websites that you can actually learn about cryptocurrency then at your own free space, and anytime you're free you can go to this website and begin to check. So I'm going to do a detailed video on CoinGecko. That is what I'm going to do, but for now let's just look at the 3 websites. In this place you are going to see the top cryptocurrencies. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, also known as ADA. You have the US Theta, you have Binance Coin, Solano, like that. You see the top cryptocurrencies here, and you see how far they've performed in 24 hours. For example, Bitcoin has increased 6%, where I'm moving my mouse over. In the last 24 hours it has increased 0.6%, and in the last 7 days it has gone down minus 5.4%. This is currently the volume of money on Bitcoin. That's the current volume of money in the last 24 hours. This is the worth of Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is currently worth $46,697 at the time of recording this video, and this is the market capitalization, the total amount of money that is invested on Bitcoin. And this graph shows how Bitcoin is performing in the last 7 days. So all you need to do is when you come here, you just look at this graph, then you know the direction. Okay, it shows that Bitcoin came to as high as this point, then in the last 7 days it has gone down. So these graphs and all this information will give you an idea of how the cryptocurrency that you have are performing. Then we have Ethereum. Ethereum is the second most valuable cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. We have Cardano, which is an auto coin, aka ADA, and these coins, this is their current worth and at the time of recording the video. So when you come to CoinGecko, you can get information about cryptocurrencies. You can learn about different exchanges. You have the spots, you have the DEX, you have the derivatives. You can learn about decentralized finance. You can check coins that are on decentralized finance. These are the coins on decentralized finance. You can take these projects and you can even begin to learn about them one after the other. I'm going to do another video where I'll talk about CoinGecko, but basically in a run through of CoinGecko, you can even learn about coins that are connected with the NFT, the non-fungible tokens. Then you can check different portfolios, and you can even buy coins on NFT. You can build your portfolio. On CoinGecko, you can build your portfolio on CoinGecko. And for example, let's say you want to learn about Bitcoin. All you need to do is to click on Bitcoin, then it's going to take you to a place where you get information about Bitcoin. You see CoinGecko, coin exchange. You come to this place, you see Bitcoin, BTC, then you see the information, the website you can visit, bitcoin.org. Then if you come down, you're going to see some things about the fundamental analysis of Bitcoin. You can see the performance of Bitcoin, the market capitalization. You can check TradingView. TradingView is a website where you read charts and you get information about cryptocurrencies basically, and stocks. So you have the 7 days, 30 days, 180 days. You can check a lot of information with CoinGecko. From here you can even read about different exchange platforms that you can buy Bitcoin on. You can read about Bitcoin. For example, when Bitcoin was launched, excuse me guys, say Bitcoin, the price and the market data. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. Who created Bitcoin? So with CoinGecko you can get information, like detailed information about these cryptos. And the interesting part of this is that all these things are served in one website. Just click and you read. So that way when you keep reading every day, you begin to improve your knowledge and you begin to acquire more information about the cryptocurrency. Now if the cryptocurrency you are looking for is not very popular, you can still search on coingecko.com. So let's say you want to search for a particular cryptocurrency that's not popular. You can just click here, and I don't even have any crypto in mind, but let me just write any. Okay, Matic is popular, but you search for Matic, that's Polygon Matic. CoinGecko is going to show you the different types of Matic. This is the one I'm talking about. You click on it and you can get every information on Matic. So the interesting part of CoinGecko is when you hear a coin and you're not familiar with the coin, you can just come to CoinGecko and get detailed information of those coins and those projects on CoinGecko. Now let's move to the second website where you can get information about cryptocurrency. The second one is CoinMarketCap. Now CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko are very similar, but I'm going to tell you the difference, the edge that CoinMarketCap has over CoinGecko. So CoinMarketCap website is www.coinmarketcap.com. Now if you come here, this is where I open the CoinMarketCap, www.coinmarketcap.com. CoinMarketCap, if you look at it, you can see that it is almost similar with CoinGecko. The difference is that CoinMarketCap has more features and more interesting stuff on it. For example, on CoinMarketCap, just like the way CoinGecko is, you can check different cryptocurrencies, the same information on CoinGecko, right? Like the same thing we saw on CoinGecko is what we are seeing on CoinMarketCap now. So the interesting thing is that if you look at this CoinMarketCap interface, you're going to see the trending coins, the top coins, Phantom Coin, FTM, Galata, Solana. These are the coins that are currently trending. So with this information, seeing this trending coin, all you need to do is to click on those coins and begin to know why they are trending. Then you can look at the biggest gainers, coins that have done massive numbers in a particular day, then you check the recently added cryptocurrency. So all this will keep you abreast with the latest crypto information, right? And if you want to learn more about these cryptos, all you need to do is to just click on them. If I click on this Phantom, it's going to take me to a page where I will get massive information, just like CoinGecko, about the particular project. The interesting part of this is that there are so many cryptocurrencies, like there are over 6,000 cryptocurrencies, and every day more keeps coming. You cannot stay abreast with every cryptocurrency, but this way you'll be able to filter the cryptocurrencies that you are looking at, because the ones that are in front of your screen, the flashy ones, the new ones, you can quickly get information about them and know more about their project, right? Then if you look at this part of CoinMarketCap, you see different exchange platforms like CoinGecko. They'll show you where to buy. We have the NFTs, the non-fungible token. You can build your portfolio here. Basically, building your portfolio simply means you are buying cryptocurrencies and you are saving it. You are buying them on the CoinMarketCap platform. Then there are watch lists. These ones are information that, like, coins that you should have information about, but I will need to log in for me to access this. I'm going to do another video talking about CoinMarketCap. Then there are calendars that can notify you about free airdrops, ICO, Polkadot, partner chains, and invest calendar. Now the interesting part of this is that you're a kind of person that you like airdrops. With this calendar, you can be getting information about when a particular project is launching and when they are giving out their airdrop, so you can get this airdrop. And one interesting part I like about CoinMarketCap is the learn. in this place you can learn about new projects. You can learn as much as you can about new projects. If you click, and when you learn, they give you free tokens for learning a cryptocurrency, right? There's, in this part you have different informations, daily news. You can be checking recent news on cryptocurrencies about new projects and stuff. But one thing I want to expose you guys to, for you guys that are beginners, that you can enjoy from Coin Market Cap, is this learn and earn. If you click on that learn part, it will take you to the Coin Market Cap learn and earn. When you come to this place and you click on get started, right, you're going to see many crypto projects. For example, so what cryptocurrencies can I earn? So the idea behind this is that you watch crypto video, you complete a quiz, and you get the coin. And most of these coins are very good project and valuable project. For example, this is Sandbox. This is a virtual world where players can build their own and monetize their NFTs and gaming experience, right? So if you want to earn Sandbox, all you need to do is to just come to this learn and earn, click on it, and these ones are live campaigns. So when I'm less busy, I take my time to do this stuff and take the quiz. So you click on earn, then you take it to the quiz page where you would be asked, you'll be taught about the cryptocurrencies. You watch videos. After watching all the videos, taking all the classes, then you will now take a quiz. When you take the quiz and you submit, when the coin is launched, look at the period the campaign will end. Once the coin campaign has ended, you will get this particular cryptocurrency free. And if the cryptocurrency goes on to become a very big project, you'll be among the people that got the project for free. A lot of projects like that I've gotten for free using the Coin Market Cap learn and earn. I did a video about how you can earn free cryptocurrency using Coin Market Cap learn and earn, but I don't know, a lot of people might not see it because it's been long ago. Then which other interesting thing can I talk about Coin Market Cap? There are so many stuff I'm going to do a video where I'll talk about just a particular video on Coin Market Cap, then I go to another particular video on CoinGecko, another particular video on the third one. Now something I want you guys to also know is that on Coin Market Cap is owned by the popular Binance platform. Binance owns Coin Market Cap. A lot of people don't know this, and this is something you need to know. So the platform is very, very strong, it's very big, and it is what learning from and earning from actually. Now let's move forward. Another platform, which is the third one that you should always visit as a beginner in the crypto game, is CoinDesk. The difference between CoinDesk, Coin Market Cap, and CoinGecko is that CoinGecko and Coin Market Cap are similar. They are platforms where you get the various information about crypto projects, you get real-time updates and stuff like that. But for CoinDesk is more of a news platform where you get different news and different information, the breaking news, important news. Because when it comes to cryptocurrencies, you don't only have to know about crypto projects, you need to be abreast with the information, because when you know the news and you know what is happening every day, then you would know if a project is having a problem and you need to remove your money, or if a project is about to go up and you need to invest. So the third website, like I said, is CoinDesk. So this is CoinDesk. Here you can see that they're giving you real-time information about various cryptocurrencies. Then you can see here on this top screen, we have the market, we have business, we have tech, we have policy. All these are news. We have the podcast, we have TV and videos, we have crypto explainer, we have events where you get all the events that's going to happen. We have different research that have been done. We have thought leaders, people that influence others, like people that are and have in-depth knowledge of cryptocurrencies. And then if you scroll down, you will see LiveWire. These are different news stories. For example, they say Bitcoin coast long-term moving average as investors holding increase. Now Bitcoin returns above 46k. Bored apes fetch $24 million. So all you need to do is when you wake up in the morning, every time you have your phone, you can come on coindesk.com, you click on the news, you read the news so that you have an idea of what is happening. And if you see a cryptocurrency you're not familiar with, let's say as you are reading through, you see a particular coin that you don't know much about, all you need to do is to just take that coin, to either CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap to learn more about it. For example, look at, they said MasterCard acquires crypto tracing firm CipherTrace. Different informations are here. Somebody said, do NFT crazy valuation make them art? A leading collector says no. So guys, when you come to CoinDesk, you get so much information. So I advise people, when you can combine these three websites together, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko and CoinDesk, yes, you have so much information about cryptocurrencies. One, number two, you will be able to make a lot of free cryptocurrencies using the CoinMarketCap share, learn and earn. And number three, you are going to get real-time information and news about different crypto projects. So if you find my content interesting, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting videos like this, you'll be among the first to see it. Thank you guys for stopping by, and I hope to see you in my next video. Let's increase the subscribers to 1,000. Bye for now.